the American Tree Sparrow. This melodic songbird is a winter visitor to our area. The American Tree Sparrow has some distinct features that make it easy to spot among the often very confusing sparrows. And no, it's not an American flag as the name might suggest. First, the light gray head of this bird is interrupted with rusty stripes on the crown and through the eyes. Next, there's a smallish bicolored bill, which is black on top and yellow on the bottom. This species has a rusty streaked back and rusty wings, with narrow white wing bars and hints of black, and its underside is entirely light gray except for buffy flanks. The final distinctive feature of this bird is the small dark smudge in the center of its breast, which the more romantically inclined might say is heart-shaped. Male American tree sparrows are practicing their song, so keep an ear out for this melody, which bears some resemblance to the song of the white-throated sparrow. From mid-October to early May, you can find the American tree sparrow locally in open woodland areas, weedy fields, and occasionally at backyard feeders.